Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be learning how to make this cute little heart. If you haven't checked out my previous video, I've made a pattern of this teddy bear. So we will be working on this heart now in this video. I will put if you haven't checked it out, I'll put the link in the description down below. Go ahead and check it and make your teddy bear now. So let's get started with this heart pattern. So let's get started. We will be using the pink yarn and we will be working in magic loop. This time I'm using the single strand, chain 1, 6 single crochets in the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the tail. We will be working 2 single crochets in the each stitch all the way around. 1, 2, 3, now we will be working 1 single crochet in the next stitch and then 2 single crochets in the next. That's our increase. One single crochet in the next and an increase. Do the same all the way around. There. We have completed round 3. Now we will be working 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Four and 5 will be single crochet in each stitch around. I'll meet you back once I'm done with 5th round. I have completed my round 4 and 5. Now we will be making a slip stitch and we will cut the yarn. We will be making another part of this till 4 and 5 and then we will join the two parts. Don't leave a long tail, just make sure a small tail and then pull the yarn. There, we are done with the part 1 and now we will be making another part of this. Once I complete till here 4 and 5, I'll meet you back. Let's call this part B and part A. We will be connecting these two together. We will be working where we left with the slip stitch. There. Go inside. We will be working the single crochet there. Then we will be working on part A, single crochet 18 all the way around. If you want, you can place the marker so you'll know which was your first stitch. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and hit the bell notification. Every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. And do subscribe for more such videos. This one. There. Go all the way around, 18 single crochet, and I'll meet you back. I have completed 18 single crochets on the part B. Now in total we should have 36 single crochets. We will be working single crochet all the way around. So in total 36 single crochets. I'll meet you back once I'm done with 36. I've completed single crochet in all the 36 stitches. We will be working single crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Use the marker. And now we will be working invisible decrease. There. And now again single crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. And invisible decrease. Continue the same all the way around till the end of this round. Single crochet in the next 4 stitches and decrease. I'll meet you back once I am at the end of this round. I am back at the end of this round. You should be working single crochet 5 till the end. And now we will be working single crochet in each stitch around. So we should have 30 single crochet. Single crochet all the way around 30. I'll meet you back once I'm at the end of this round. I'm at the end of this round. Now we will be working single crochet 3. I'm at the end of this round. We will be working single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Mark. Use the marker and then we will be doing a invisible decrease. Again, single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Invisible decrease. Do the same all the way around till the end of this round and I'll meet you back. I'm at the end of this round. Now we will be working single crochet in the next 2 stitches and then a decrease. Before completing this round, go ahead and stuff the heart and then you can continue working on single crochet in the next 2 stitches and a decrease. Do not overstuff. I'll meet you back once I have completed this round. I've completed this round and I've stuffed the heart. Now we will be working single crochet in the each stitch around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. We are done with this round. Now we will be working one single crochet in the next stitch and a decrease. One single crochet in the next and a decrease. Do the same all the way around till the end and I'll meet you back. I've completed that round. Now we will be working one single crochet all the way around, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now we will be working decrease all the way around. So we will be having only 6 stitches left. Before completing this round, if you need to stuff a little more in the end, you can do that. And I'll meet you back once I'm at the end of this round. Slip stitch and we will fasten this off. Take the scissors and cut the long tail. Pull the yarn out. There. We have completed our cute heart for the bear. Now, this is how we will be stitching the heart to the bear's arms. There, I have attached the heart to the arms, and here we have our completed teddy ready.